Okay, let's do a quick update to 3 p.m. You get an email with the chapter update attached. Save the PDF file to somewhere you can find it, like your desktop, and open it Adobe Acrobat, the full version. Now this isn't really required, but what I usually do is add a header up here with the date, just so we can be sure that the newest version of the file is online. Alright, click on search for header and footer, click on add. It's scanning. Loading the font. And we're just going to put the date in there. It already has page numbers. Arial 8's fine. You might want to change it to Arial Bold. And just say OK. Save the file again. You can see our data's up here. Close the file. Alright, next we're going to go to the AFPIN's website, log in, and go to the file manager. I usually open this in a new window so I can have my web page open on one and then the files open on the other side. While we're waiting on this to load, we'll go ahead and go over to the Personnel and Pay Procedures manual page. Down here you got to click on your edit icon. Click on it twice. That way it'll stay in the edit mode. And since we haven't been on here today on this browser, we got to find our PPC files, which are under CG1, PPC, and then PPM. And then these are the all the old chapters. I just have them online haven't deleted them yet, but they're no longer used now that we've got the whole thing in the training, tactics, and procedures format. There's a directory for that. And these are all the TTT files. Click the upload icon. Find the file that you just changed. Desktop. Just double click it. Now you always want to be sure you get this replace. If you don't get replace, that means the file name that you're uploading is different than the one that's already online, and that's going to break a lot of links for people that have bookmarked the file, and also for our editors who have linked files from other guides. So just make sure your file name's the same. You can look over on the side over here to see what this file name is supposed to be, or you can just download it from the web page and then get the exact file name. Hit replace. It says file uploaded, close. Then we're quickly open this so we can get the address to the file. What I did here, I just clicked on date modified twice to bring the new files to the top. I'm opening it. It's our 16 September file. So now I want to copy the link. I want everything after the .mil. That's called a relative link. We don't need the whole link because it's already on the page that we're editing is already on the same address, dcms.mil. We just want everything after the .mil. And we're changing chapter 10, so see the little icon edit there. And we'll wait on it to load. I just updated this the other day, so I already have the updated flag on here to let people know there's been a recent change. And to add that, I just used the add image icon. I entered the path for the image. I save those in a separate text file just so I use them all the time, so I just copy and paste that same link in there 100 times a day. I'll give you those separately. Then we go down to chapter 10. All these, now it looks like a content section, but it's all actually just one link. So just highlight the whole thing, go to the link tool. This is the link for yesterday, or the September 14th file. Just paste in that link we just copied. Confirm that it's going to open in a new window. Link info. Then make sure you didn't pick up anything. I often, when I paste a link, copy the link from the other up here, I end up picking up that L from .mil. You just want that slant bar and the end of the file. And hit OK. Hit update. And that change is complete. So now we just copy the page that we're just updated. Go over here to Content Purge. Now this will automatically happen every hour or so, but people use our website so frequently, we always want them to have the most updated information and page available. So I always just go in here after I make a change, plug in the page that changed. You don't need to plug in the file that changed because that super long link with all this information at the end, the timestamp, will make sure it pulls up the right file. Just go to Purge, pop in the page name. You'll see it down here with the address and the status. Okay, after a few minutes or a few seconds, the status will change to say finished. Click on the link. Click on the link. Let's go take a look and make sure that new version of the file is there and everything. We did everything correctly. As you can see, this is all just, again, just one big link. It's all the same file. You can click anywhere in there, and you just want to be sure it has the new date on there, and that's all good to go. So we'll close that. Then we'll reply to the Master Chief and let him know that we've got it updated and we're all done with that update. I usually don't do anything else with 3 p.m. updates, like send an email or anything like that to all the YNs or anything. We just post it and leave it.